Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best whetstone Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Shan Zu Whetstone. The Shan Zu Whetstone is one well-rounded sharpening stone you can use to restore your knives to their original glory. This premium quality stone is made to be durable, shaped out of tough white corundum, a type of aluminum oxide, and paired with a stable base that's crafted from bamboo wood. A non-slip rubber strip keeps your whetstone in place while you work to ensure even, precise results. The whetstone itself measures 8.46 by 3.74 by 2.17 inches in size, and it offers 2 different grits to choose from, number 6000 grit on one side, number 1000 grit on the other. With nothing other than water needed to lubricate your knife blade, absolutely anyone can master the art of fine-tuning metal blades with this kit. It even includes an angle tool guide, which you can use to achieve just the right angle for a sharp edge, and it'll help protect accidents from slicing up your fingers, too. Number 2. Our second best pick is Whetstone Cutlery Knife Sharpening Stone. Your culinary knives are absolutely critical tools, and they can dull even faster than your everyday utility knife, and that's why you'll want to have the Whetstone Culinary Knife Sharpening Stone in your toolkit. This sharpening stone is a must-have in the kitchen, as it's specifically made for restoring sharp, precise edges on chef's knives or culinary tools. The whetstone, which is made from tough silicon carbide, measures 7.01 by 2.24 by 1.14 inches. It features number 400 grit on one side and number 1000 grit on the other, giving you a coarse grit that breaks down even the most used metal, and a finer grit that polishes and cleans up the knife edge. Designed to be used with water, you can easily put this whetstone to work with kitchen knives, scissors, and other blade varieties. And it'll last you throughout many uses and even many years to offer great durability. Number 3. Our third best pick is King KW65 Whetstone. While restoring a sharp cutting edge is key for any whetstone, achieving a sleek polish and a blade edge that's angled just right for your needs and uses is also important. That's why a fine grit whetstone like the King KW65 Whetstone is a great choice. This double-sided sharpening stone offers number 1000 grit and number 6000 grit, 2 options that are made just for fine-tuning knife edges. The stone measures 8 by 2.5 by 1 inches in size, and it comes with a basic plastic base that'll keep the whetstone in place while you work. To get sharpening, all you have to do is soak the stone in water and keep it wet for proper lubrication to achieve impressive results at home. It'll even work on extremely dull knives, getting them back to their former cutting capability. Just keep in mind, however, that it does take work and wear down to perfect, and you may want to start with a coarser grit at first to speed the process up if you have very dull knives. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Knife Planet Premium Knife Whetstone Set. The Knife Planet Premium Knife Whetstone Set is more expensive than other whetstone options, but you'll get so much more for your money. This multi-use set includes not just 1 or 2 grit choices, but a whopping 4 grit options, and the accessories and extras that come with the whetstones themselves also add even more helpful features. You'll get 2 whetstones, each with a different grit on both sides. The set includes a number 400 grit for very dull and old blades, a number 1000 grit for fine-tuning your sharpening, and number 3000 and number 8000 grits for polishing and perfecting your knives in great detail. 2 non-slip rubber bases help prevent slips and accidents by keeping your whetstones in place, and a bamboo stone holder makes for a sturdy resting place. You can even access Knife Planet's online learning platform, which teaches you how to master sharpening with a whetstone all on your own. It's a truly comprehensive premium choice that you'll use often. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Sharpening Hanokaramaku Ceramic Whetstone. The Sharpening Hanokaramaku Ceramic Whetstone is a great example of why Japanese whetstones are becoming increasingly popular. Made to restore the extremely sharp slicing and cutting capability of Japanese knives, this whetstone offers more options so you can achieve a truly precise and awesomely sharp edge on any knife blade of any kind. Made in Japan and available in 10 different grit options that range from extra coarse number 120 to exceptionally fine number 30,000, this whetstone measures 8.98 by 3.46 by 1.57 inches. You can slough away everything from corrosion to nicks with coarser grits and finish a knife's edge with fine, careful precision with higher grits. No matter which you choose, this Japanese sharpening stone delivers the quality and excellent performance you need to make sharpening at home a breeze. This stone, when used with a splash of water, can restore sharpness in less than a minute. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.